BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
Have you started? Are you picking yourself first?
I want to change the camera.
May I change the camera first? I'll come that side.
Where is the goddamn camera?
So, excuse me.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo has fallen already.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo has fallen already.
Today we are at my yam farm. You know, all this while I've been telling you I have other farms. So today we decided to go to the yam farm to go and see how the yam farm is doing. As you can see, the yam farm is growing well, but I now have weeds here. So we are carrying our knives. We are going to do the weeding today, but we'll talk more after much. We'll now do the weeding. As you can see, we don't have land in Biafra. We don't have land in Biafra. Here you have yam. Look at yam here. Look at granules here. In the same farm, just because of scarcity of land. In the same farm, you also have corn. Come. You also have corn in the same farm. In one farm. Look at my corn. Yeah? Throw nearer so that they can be seen it. In the same farm, we still have corn, yam, granules. Look at granules. All these ones are granules, which, you know, by the time we start weeding it, we'll now put sand. These are yams. This one is coming up new. This one is coming up new. All these ones are up already.
It's a granite.
As you can see. So today we are in my farm. We don't have land to give to Fulani. Okay, in the same place you can see. This is yam. This is granite. This is okra. This is corn. In the same farm. Simply because we don't have enough land. We will show you all the whole farm. We will show you all the place so that you see and know that we don't have land. We don't have land to give to Fulani. We don't have land for Ruga. We don't have... Come to this side. Look at okra here. You can see the okra. You can see the okra. Although there's weed, so much weed grown now, you know, because... so, like I told you, today we are going to farm. We are going to clear the weeds so that you see it. We are farmers. That's what we do. That's what we do. Want the international community to see that we are farmers. We don't have land for Fulani herdsmen. We don't have land for Ruga. And I also encourage our farmers to also go to the farm and do your farming. Nobody will take your land to do Ruga. Ruga is a failed mission. I also urge you, everybody should come to BSMS. Let's join force and fight against this non-entities who call themselves Fulani herdsmen and destroy them forever and ever. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. Yagaji, it's here. All right, you can talk. While we walk.
God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo has fallen already.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo has fallen already.
Fellow Biafrans all over the world, lovers of freedom, comrades, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, depending on where you are domiciled at this particular point in time. It is right, Commander Nana, right here. We are at our general's farm because our camp has officially resumed, and we are just trying to send a simple message and also prove that we are farmers, and also show you why we want more lands, and also show you why we say that we don't want Ruga settlement in our land. If you look around, you will see corn, you will see okra, you will see groundnut, you see other plants.
Yam,
cocoyam,
palm fruits.
Palm fruits being cultivated in one piece of land.
Cassava.
Even cassava. all cultivated in one piece of land. You can come with me and see. See how everything is jam-packed in one place. And that is why we are calling out for land. That is why we are calling out for our freedom, so that we can live in a Biafra where we are going to engage in mechanized farming. If you observe now, look at in this 21st century, I'm still using a machete and hoes and shovels manually. You understand? It is because of the devilish contraption known as Nigeria, the devilish entity, the demonic Lugadian creation known as Nigeria.
Evil empire.
That is why we are suffering. And that is why we are still farming with all these local tools. But when we restore Biafra by the special grace of Chukwu Kikabiama, we shall engage in mechanized farming.
You see.
And that is the reason why we want to secure our land right now. So that when Biafra might have been restored, we can have lands to farm and feed ourselves, feed our families, feed our nation, feed our motherland, which is Biafra, and also feed Africa at large, and also feed the world at large. So when the Fulanis, the Gambaris, the children of Uthman Danfodio, when they come from Fouta Djallon and all across West Africa and Africa at large, and they come to our land to tell us now that we should give them this land.
It's not possible.
Does that make any sense to anybody?
No.
Wait. Let me ask a question. Can a Palestinian walk straight into Israel and tell Benjamin Bibi Netanyahu, Mr. Prime Minister, sir, we want Jerusalem or we want Tel Aviv for grazing? Is it possible?
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
It is very, 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 very impossible. We cannot tolerate that.
Never.
We shall never tolerate that.
Never.
As you can see, we are farmers. We don't want trouble, but we welcome trouble.
We love trouble. And we don't
make troubles, but we welcome trouble. That is exactly how it is. What we are asking for is our freedom. And what we are asking for is for the Fulani Empire to get the fuck out of our land.
Yes.
We don't want them in our land.
Yes.
Maka na mba amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya na mbọsị ọzọ. Mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ dike na mba ọzọ.
Ya ka ọ dị.
Otu a ka ọ dị. Dibịa agwọgharịa ya. Onye amụma kpee, onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa ya. Ndị otu gbuo, ndị otu ọzọ egbugharịa ya. We don't have land for Ruga settlement. We don't have land for Ruga settlement. That is exactly what I'm trying to tell you people. We don't have land for Ruga settlement. Every plan from the Fulani Empire to embezzle on us and steal our land from us, that plan has been thwarted. It must be thwarted. And it will be thwarted even in the future. They can never survive and they can never take this land away from us. Because this is our ancestral land. An idiot from Fouta Djallon cannot come and take this land away from us. Whether you are Igbo, whether you are Isoko, whether you are Anang, whether you are Ibibio, Ebanke, Urobo, Ezon, Ishekiri, Anyoma, Efik, Egala, Idoma, all round Biafrans. Tete nonola ka anyị chekwa obodo anyị bụ Biafra. Ndị Igbo na-asị na ọsọ chụba mmadụ ọgbana ikwu nne ya. Ndị Fulani chụpụzi anyị n'ikwu nna anyị kezi ebe anyị agbana. Anyị agbana Fouta Djallon. Mba na anyị werezi ikwu na ka ọ dị. We are farmers and we are farming. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
Yes, we are using this opportunity to put the world on notice on what is going on here in Biafra land. The Fulani extractions are trying to take over our lands, and our lands do not belong to them. Our lands belong to our ancestors, and we inherit it from our ancestors. So nobody on earth have the right to take our land away from us, because we do not owe anybody anything. The Most High Chukwu Abiyama, Yahweh himself, has given us this land through our father Abraham, and we are here to inherit what has been rightfully given to us. We have no place with our enemies in our land, so we do not have anything to do with them. We need them out of our lands. We have nothing to do with them. Light and darkness have nothing in common. So we are the children of light. As you can see on the Biafra flag, you can see the symbol on the flag.
Yeah.
As you can see, the symbol represents light. You see the land that was flowing with milk and honey that the Most High has given to his children, which is the Biafrans. The green on the flag represents the green land, the land flowing with milk and honey that the Fulani terrorists are trying to take away from us. And the black represents the world. The world is filled up with darkness because the world has been corrupt and been ruled by the devil. That is why we, as the children of light, are coming out as a sprinkle of a light in the yellow symbol in the flag. We are here to represent the light. We are the Biafrans, and the yellow symbol you see at the flag represents the children of light, which is the Biafrans. So the red on the top of the flag represents the blood of the children of Israel. Right from the beginning of the war, we've been killed, we've been massacred, we've been suffering violence, and I believe this time around the violence is about to take it by force. So we are here to restore our dignity, the dignity of black nation, dignity of black Africans, dignity of black man. So I am using this opportunity to invite, including those of you, the black Americans, we all are one people. We are Biafrans. We are one people. We come out from one place, and we need to go back home because this is the time for us to be restored. And when you support Biafra, you support your future generation for greatness. So we need your support in all over the world, wherever you are, so long as you are a black man. Come and support the restoration of Biafra, the Ambazonian people. I am calling you this moment. I am calling upon you to support this aspect of BSMS. You can be a part of us because we all are one people. Despite we were divided by the slave master, the colonial masters. So but we need to know whom we are so that we can go back to originality. All hail BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo has fallen. Take a closer look at the farm. As you can see, our land is flowing with milk and honey. Take a closer look at the farm and understand exactly what we're trying to say here right now. This is Biafra land, the land flowing with milk and honey. And these people from Futajalon want to take it away from us.
Impossible.
It is impossible.
BSMS is on ground already.
We are on ground to stop all this rubbish.
Coming late.
As you can see now,
As long as we are on ground
this
already.
little farm now contains so many things inside. There is this okra section here. I just finished eating my cucumber. We just finished eating it. It's just down there. Now look at here now. I have cocoyam. You can see it. This is a weed. This is okra. On top of the same place, so there's a cocoyam here. But okay, you can see it now. It's coming up small, gradually.
And granite.
And also, I have granite also here because of scarcity of land. There is no land. How many crops have you seen here now? Cocoyam is here. Okra is here. Granite is here. In one land. It's not done anywhere in the world because we don't have land. We don't have land. Now, the little land that we have, we are trying to manage it. The idiots from Futajalon wants to come and do Ruga in my own. I don't have land. You're coming to come and take the little that I have. Why the Northeast have enough land? Zambisa Forest have enough land to contain Ruga. If you want to build Ruga in 2 million places there are enough lands there. So why don't you go there? Why are you interested in the land in the Southeast? Why are you interested in the land in Biafra land? If you don't have any hidden agenda, Ruga is a non-existing project. What we want is Biafra, and Biafra is what we want. We don't want anything that rubbish.
Yes.
We don't want it. Biafra, they come. Oh.
BSMS they come oh, Amemon they come oh. You no go giri, you go giri oh.
Biafra they come oh. BSMS they come.
come, oh. You no go giri, you no go giri, you go giri, oh.
Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemon they come, oh. You no go giri, you must giri, oh.
Biafra they come, oh. Biafra they come, oh. Amen. Come, oh. You no go giri, no go giri, you go giri, oh. Take a closer look at the land. We have okra, we have granite, we have palm frond, we have cocoyam, we have the main yam, we have corn, as you can see. We have plantain, we have okra, everything. Yes. All in the same place, just because we don't have land. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. The zoo network is fluctuating, but we must continue to tell you how hopeless the zoo is. This is our farm. It's not easy. It's not easy to have almost 5 crops in one land just because of scarcity of land. Just because of scarcity of land, we have everything here in Biafra land. Everything, we grow it in Biafra land. That is why we need more land. We don't have time for Ruga settlement or any other hopeless settlements. And we will be bringing 1 or 2 people in so that they can air their views too. I'll try to bring in 1 or 2 people to air their views. I'll try to bring in 1 or 2 people now to air their views. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo must follow.
The zoo has collapsed. There's nothing they can do.
Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. 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 Oh, hello. Hello. Ah.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
The zoo network is trying to pull off what we're doing. We don't have enough land. I will start bringing some people in. I'll start bringing some people in. God bless Biafra. And I'll start reading some good comments from our people. Our brother one for Biafra, we don't have enough land to waste for the terrorist Fulani herdsmen in Biafra land. They should take that rubbish to the north and regard themselves over there and not in our land. That is a very wonderful comment by our brother one for Biafra, Chibeze Anyanwu. That's very, very good. And we want to bring We want to bring some people in. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS. Biafra land is really blessed. This is water leaf. As you can see, fresh water leaf direct from Biafra land. Later they will say that we don't have food in our land. Later they will say that we don't have food in our land, that they are the people that are feeding us. Also, front and back. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo network is really trying to dislodge us from what we are doing, but we must continue. This is cassava in Biafra land. Look as fresh as it is. If Fulani people come into this place now with their cows, they'll start eating up all this cassava. They will eat it up, they will eat the stem, they will eat the root, they will use their cow and render the place useless. That is what they do. This is how fresh our land is. And some people want to come and take this land from us. I am trying to bring some people in, but the zoo network connection is making it very impossible for me to bring some people in. The zoo network is making it very, very difficult. The zoo network is making it very, very difficult. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra. Adomina, 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 Adomina. Adomina, 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 Adomina. Otina maga atano. Adomina, Adomina, Adomina. Anyamankwe, anyamankwe, anyamankwe. Ezegwara ga atano. Anyamankwe, anyamankwe. Adomina, 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 Adomina. Ebe ka unu si Biafra, ebe ka unu si Biafra, gamara po Biafra, gane bozo gabiri. Biafra gadindu. Biafra gadindu. Asemu ebe ka unu si. Biafra. Ebe ka unu neje. Biafra gamara po. Biafra gane bozo gabe. Agamara po. Biafra gane bozo gabe. Biafra gadindu. Umokoribe mu jikere wenu na eme. Unokoribe mu jikere wenu na eme. Ebe ka unu si Biafra. Ebe ka unu neje Biafra. Gamara po Biafra. Gane bozo gabere. Agamara po Biafra. Gane bozo gabere. Biafra gadendo. Enyo, 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 enyi Biafra lala, enyi Biafra lala. Ewa kigwe sector, kwala Biafra enyi. Enyo, 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 enyi. Enyi Biafra wanti ntoge. Nna biko enyi Biafra wanti ntoge. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another. Holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Biafra de come, BSMS de come, Amamon de come. You no go giri, you must giri yo. BSMS de come, Amamon de come. You no go giri, you go. I say Biafra de come, BSMS de come, Amamon de come. You no go giri, you go giri yo. BSMS de come, Amamon de come. You no go giri, you go giri yo.
This our farm. I went in I went there. Weji, Welka, Yen Nature and Biafra zero. Okay. I was watching. Can you go to one go here now? You are going to fly and go to Misso. I'm going to Saka. I said, let's go to Madessa, but just in. I'm going to get Jimozomo, Bonnie Flan, Isam, Wishing, or Tumbo. Without that, hold your. You go to man, wasn't a flan, you have a cram on go to Dinah, we go to Mosum, go to Hina.
That's it.
Biafra, Ebola no, Bocata, but BSMS, our Biafra specialty squad. I don't need horn, I'm what I told you. Ejim, wherever you heard you. Even our Gogu, with my brother Bia, I can make any again. The Magachi Faflan has smell, we're making it. We don't want any nine. I know I give it down was citizen. Oh, I will come to city of Nigeria, of Biafra. In them, my gata, without me on me horn, never coming out on Iono. I walk, I am in this. I will have in your Fulani. Give a bit in there in never. So, can I with them? I give that Biafra, she go die in the Shajiboni. There, why, Oma? Why, Oma?
God bless Biafra.
God bless
BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
And this is a simple message to some people. I would not say the word miscreants because we now love the word miscreants. If you the last town hall meeting that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu had in New York, there was a banner that was hanged on the wall, and it was written Chief miscreant. Yes. Did you see it? This is our assistant chief miscreant. Yes. Our assistant chief miscreant is here. Yeah.
Yeah. We are great. We are royal priesthood. We are not miscreants. We are royalty. We are not miscreants.
Let's go. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
Biafra they come oh. BSMS they come oh. Amemon they come oh. You no go gree, you go gree oh.
Biafra they come oh.
BSMS they come oh. Amemon they come oh. You no go gree, you go gree oh. Shebi they say our land no they produce food.
I make a thunder fire them. All of them will say our land no they produce food. Say our land no they good, no they fertile. Imagine the level of the kind precocious of this leaf.
Fresh.
That is why I call it precocious.
Fresh water leaves.
It's very, very precocious.
So succulent. And they say that we cannot produce food in our land.
Yes, so.
Hey, Amadia, what are you waiting for to strike these people dead?
Amadia is waiting for the right.
This is one of the best water leaf in the world.
Wow. It is not true.
The best water leaf in the world.
Wow,
look at this leaf. Look at the leaf.
Very fresh.
Look at the leaf. Very fresh.
Can't you see?
Very fresh.
And that is why I'm fresh.
Our land is fertile. Wow. That is, they want to come and take our land from us. Look at how a leaf from our land is a water leaf.
To the Most High.
This one is not fertilizer. This one is original from the ground. That is why the Fulanis want to take over our land.
All praise to the Most High for what He has given to His children
to
benefit the fruit of the land. We are the righteous and we are going to eat the fruits of this land because this land originally belongs to the righteous. Because we have not killed anybody. We have not gone to take anybody's land. We were here before they came in here. They invaded our lands. They took us slavery. And up to today, we are still suffering. And we don't even know what we have done to deserve this kind of inhuman treatment. But we know that for sure that the Most High Chukwu Abiyama, Yahweh himself is about to deliver us from this persecution. But before he delivered us, we will first of all massage our enemies in the best of our ability, because we will never relent in massaging them. We need to touch them, we need to massage them, and we need to see what they are made up to. So we are all going to get our freedom by fire, by force, by peace, by war.
We are not gonna give up. At all. Emande Fulani chana na-eme ife sengemenge. Fulani chana na-eme sengemenge. Ka ngwakwa unu adọbie kechie na epo dompe. Anyị anwụte Fulani kechie fa dọbie fa awa funa fe peka. Our farm is a fertile. Look how green it is. Greenish. Very, very greenish. If they walk into this place now with their car, let me tell you what they are going to do. Most of you who are in the diaspora, you don't understand it. When they walk into your farm now, as they see all these crops now that have been planted, they will just march on everything. Most of them will be excavating the thing and giving to their animals to eat. They will be giving it to their animals to eat. And their animals will be... They infest you with diseases. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
That is what we are saying.
That's what we say.
In Biafra land, our land is fertile. So when you plant your things, they march into your land and with their cows, they destroy everything.
No, we don't like it.
We don't like that rubbish. I actually far. Ana m agwa ndị be anyị na-agwasịfe ike na-asịfa mụla anya. Fulani agbaga ya okilikili. Fulani agbaga anyị okilikili, ndị agbaga anyị okilikili na-achọzi ka fa besi anyị oni.
Ewo nito nyine ma edanga nito ibibio nito efak edanga nwane kong ye maswa muvo ka basiki ko ye Satan ke heaven abase ma bune Satan asio ke heaven so na muvo edanga enwe bune maswa muvo singo ki song muvo ma do de obi efo ke nyongo de nyini yemo bi efo ke yemo bi bibio nyini yemo bi nito nang nito ron bukuru muvo edanga ye no bok ye nito une ke bukuru nyiri tie ya mi men Biafra idi de mere kidap ni tombo ke pita fi mo go e mo mi so e kamenon dito ya e mo mi so e kamenon dito nyini di dito e se mi afora mi ndi David e nyem ke da with O2 get the IPOB coordinator. I'm a principal officer still talking to you inside the BSMS because I know this is the right place to be. a place that could deliver you and your household from mental slavery and oppression of the enemy. So mbok edaga edad ni to kame. Ya nyini wane kongo mi ye ki ototiet. Ke awu na ge di kala biofo. Nyini di kali dem nyino, na ge kali dem ma wukuru nyini kali dem nyino. Mbok edaga edad de dia no bok ototiet. Ke mo kod mo fo mek pe mo fo bok mbok ke ida ki ko ida ku to. Adi ku kono. Mbok ya mi to edi dem mbok ke mi to bo fene kaka iba nyini di e kan were ma nyene ku to mi na we kan were ma nyene ku to me tenje ka nyine bo fene bene mo se ki ko oku side ke township e change dollar, e change gold, e change everything ke presidential. Ndi nyini du ke village te nyine du e na mu to mi wan e bo fen mbok ndi to ka mi ke me mbok na mi mbok nyina na mi mbok so songo. Oh, hey, BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo has fallen. Ndabreba ndegem nti ndabreba ndanu n'olum taa. Ọmụnwa. Azam nọ na Victor Maxwell Odumoka Fendo ka abụ nwa nweke ebreba. Anọ m ebe a taa na dakpa iru na onwe ikwu na aka amaghị onye mbụ. Mụ bụ nwa ebreba. Ọ bụrụ igbo onye ebreba gị dị ga-efe m dakpa. Yo meyila mmiri fine yo meyila na-emeri mmeri fem dakpa rụta bụ gebe nchi. Ga-eyi onwe ife anyị ndị eme na. Ele anyị na ogo Biafra anya na-achọ dachi ile anyị na-eji enwụsa oge anyị bụ Biafra. Gị bụrụ onye ebreba gị duwazie na gboro afọ mile ọ gbasa izu nge ọ gbasaghị agbasa. Ị bụrụ onye ebreba ibu ali bekee gị danụ ife ndị Fulani ndị eme oge anyị. Wabaisa wabịa ji ndị ụmụ agbọghọ anyị ara ya wụ ikpu ọjọọ. Wara ha ya wụ ikpu ọjọọ ma ndị mmadụ n'ubi ara wụ ikpu. Ara ha wụ ikpu eworu nama mekacha ya ozugbo ife anyị kpọọ ọfịa. Ife unu ha elebe ya mechie ọnụ. Ozugbo ndị abịrịba bụ n'ali bekee unu ji okpu unu ha eji eyeri BSMS ka wepụsa na okpu ọhụụ unu ji taa ka anyị were ya zụrụ ife anyị eji echere onwe anyị. Ma ọ bụ ya ozugbo okulu unu wu ya dọba ya ebreba izu nge mgbe ihe atasagba afọ asaa ali bekee alụa ga-abịa kwụkwakwa fụ onye Fulani ibodu akwụlu oge jikwa nai tụfịa akwela bụkwata na ahụ nne ya bụrụ ife iji aka kpasara onwe so iburu onye ebreba ndị ege m nche biko okwu anyị ndị akpọ gbasakata ya anyị bụ ebreba anyị bụ ọka mba ndị abịrịba unu ihe na onwu na strọgụla ndị akpụ ka ya ka anyị wike nwesa Biafra nke ya ndị achọ. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall.
I get Jim one. Oh, we have even Igbe. I put out how to ike. I want to judge him. Because I got one night. Look, how I'm in Dawsa. But I know I want the web because Nanaka, he hadn't name a farm. I want a farm. I want a equal, but me and Nina, the cousin Dibo. So when the Flan has many Gabriel, he will remember maybe she and Dacro Nubo. He get on my Hana, he get on Monendo, my Hana, Hemme Hogan. But I will not my Namahana Nakura. He put away a book where I will the poison. He equally quite on a gun over now, or Plantaus of an anony. Money random number. I'm going to hand a ship was one. Was in this one. There was one is the number. She controls the button number. I wouldn't debo. Bogatan Humo Club, husband, Baga, Cotobolino, give BSMS, Biafra Special Military Squad, and Ebe. You want to Ebe, come all you take you to the Vagini. Betrayer. So give take you to go. You give ya support Biafra Special Military Squad. I try say Fulani. You know high war and I was give one down, give Fulani Asman.
Gile Ligwe, Igbo Fulani Asman, Gile Ligwe, Igbo Fulani Asman, Gile Ligwe. If we keep Fulani, we go to heaven. We keep Fulani, we go to heaven. We keep Fulani, we go to heaven. We keep Fulani, we go to heaven.
Oh, Toshi one them. So one woman, the more is in a one, never know. You better take your to give. World Biafra Special Military Squad, BSMS. ụmụnne ebe ọla n'ụnụ ndị na-ezu ije ndị ọbụla niile asị ọbụla nne m ya gachiere nne maka ejekwa na nwekwana BSMS na-agba ike na-agba ike ajigbo ndị Fulani ha si mee ka anyị gwe na nwayọ ka anyị gwa na anyị nwa ka ha ya ihe ji aka eme nwanne ifigode mi gama na m azụrụ ka eme ba ihe ndị egwu amegbuo ndị Fulani 12 1 dozen once ụtatela ha anya n'azụ ịwụtago so ebe ọla n'ụlọ enweghị na iji unu etiri anya nwa BSMS Biafra Special Military Squad ya ready to kill Fulani ha si mee bosi gị bụ onye Fulani
gị n'eluigwe
gije ugbo Fulani gị je eluigwe ọwụzi enwezi emeka Jizọs bụ mmadụ ibe anyị ekwesịghị na-efe Jizọs ka anyị na-efe Chukwu oke bịa ama onye nwe anyị onye kere igwe n'ụwa.
Otu aka ọ dị. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra. Just take a look at Biafra land, very fertile, very nourishing. Oh, motherland. Oh, motherland. Oh, my home. Oh, my home. Where shall I say my home? Where shall I say my beautiful home? I will never forget my home. No Turuga settlement. No Turuga settlement. No Turuga settlement. No Turuga settlement. Support Biafra Special Military Squad. You must support Biafra Special Military Squad because Eji Haka achonye bu egbe. Eji Haka achonye bu egbe.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
My people, I thank everybody. I know this Sabi shout too much because I Sabi verse. Them annoyance. And they let me exercise them unnecessarily. Because if I exercise them unnecessarily, they affect me. I beg. All of us already see say we don't come. No going back. We don't decide them. You say we don't decide them. They let you what we need from one. Maybe everybody go up front. Maybe everybody go to kitchen. Maybe everybody go carry aircraft. Maybe everybody go to the office, the right biro. The job is well divided. Yeah, the job is divided. When we say we need more soldiers in BSMS, in case wherever you are watching, it doesn't mean that you have to come and fight. We have our soldiers. We are okay. Yes. And we have many of our soldiers. We trained. We kept them on standby. Yes, sir. We are the types that makes use of every brain because in Biafra land, no brain is idle. Yes, sir. No brain is idle in Biafra land. That is why we remain the best. So what I'm telling you is, whether you are a graduate, you are an illiterate, you are the middle, you can read, all right, you cannot read, you cannot write.
You are a tailor, you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a cook.
Anything you know you can do.
You're a laundry.
You are very good at hacking. I need room hacking because we have so many of our boys, hackers, programmers, and the rest of it. We need as many as all the brains and knowledges so that we'll create impact in Biafran army. We will make a Biafran army the best army in the whole world. Don't doubt me.
Banon.
Mazi, who is the leader of this group, have make us to understand that what he is creating is more than impact. He is creating more than robots. But I know you will not understand for now. We have everything you think of. We need cannibals, humans of all types. Whether you be hairdresser, you be cook, you be
carpenter, bricklayer, mechanic.
See what you know say you be. Come.
You be juju priest.
You be sabi swim, come. You be juju priest, come. You be pastor, come.
We dey summon all the whole warlock.
We need everybody.
In the land of Biafra.
All the magicians.
All our magicians.
Old and young.
Old and young.
Both reincarnated ones.
Yes.
Old and young.
Appointed ones.
Ndị wincha na-egbu mmadụ.
All the chief priests.
Ugbu a ka anyị chọrọ unu.
Make all of them come.
Ndị a na-atagbu mmadụ n'abalị. Ugbu a ka anyị na-ediri unu ka unu ga-atagbuo ndị mmadụ.
Pastor of any church, evangelize for that your church, if you know the evangelize for that your church, you are doing nothing. Evangelize. If you didn't evangelize, that's your church. You see that your church, I swear, I go blow him. I'm the son of the lion. You hear me? I'm the son of Amemon. You know the meaning of Amemon? I am the son of Amemon. The general Amemon. Chukwumadike. Who blow your church. Because number one, you collect it, you collect so many things, you preach the gospel, and they are killing the Biafrans. Where you make money from, you cannot announce to the world. You know how you tell the people to pay their tithe and offering?
And you buy private jets,
yes,
and fly around the whole
all
place.
All your children will be abroad, enjoying themselves. Worldwide. All your children will be abroad, enjoying themselves, and we will be here fighting. And the little one that you yourself you can do, you cannot do it. Tomorrow you say you be pastor, you carry Bible. If they ask you where you belong, you say anywhere, anyone. I swear. See, you be sabo. If you be sabo to me, I will kill you first. My papa know. My mama know. My siblings, everything around me know. The Jesus Christ where they preaching, he came for war.
All of them, what thing they do? All of them, they with me. They only they pray for me, say, my son, go. That is what you could do for your son. That is what you could do for your daughter. That is what you could do for your elderly ones or your siblings. People who are willing to come and defend their father's land. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
Remember, I told you people, all the people who
come from our land, and today they are producing oil, palm oil, with what they took from our land. Here we have it in quantum.
And they gave us confusion.
We have everything in a maximum proportion. It is right here with us. Our land is greenish. Our land is fertile. You plant in our land and it grows. And they want to dislodge us and take our land from us. It's impossible. We say no to it. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
The zoo must fall.
The zoo must fall. International community, as you can see, we are really in need of the land. Only in my farm here, I have 5 crops here. I have yam, I have maize, I have cassava, I have okra, I have granite, 6, and I have cocoyam. Very nice cocoyam. The taste is very okay. It tastes like yam. You even like it more than yam. So we need the land. We don't have any time for Ruga. We don't even want anything to do with Fulani herdsmen. Let the Fulani herdsmen stay in their area. We will stay in our own area. We don't want them. They don't want us. We are logically world apart. They are living in their own world. We are living in our own world. So we want the international community to know. I'm showing all this proof to show to you that I'm a farmer.